Education, as the practice of freedom, affirms healthy self-esteem in students, as it promotes their capacity to be aware and live consciously. Bell Hooks. I'm hungry for knowledge. The whole thing is to learn every day, to get brighter and brighter. That's what this world is about. You look at someone like Gandhi, and he glowed. J-education is that whole system of human training within and without the schoolhouse walls, which molds and develops men. W.B. Du Bois, because I went through a lot trying to get to this point. So now I can inspire other kids. Your dreams can come true. It can be anything. Devin Allen. To know how much there is to know is the beginning of learning to live. Dorothy West. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll live as I believe. Janet Jackson. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken people. Frederick Douglass. It is better to have less thunder in the mouth and more lightning in the hand. The Apache Peoples. You never know which experiences of life are going to be of value. You've got to leave yourself open to the hidden opportunities. Robin Roberts. Experience is a great teacher. John Legend. I made decisions that I regret, and I took them as learning experiences. I'm human, not perfect like anybody else. Queen Latifah. It's only when you risk failure that you discover things. When you play it safe, you're not expressing the utmost of your human experience. Lupita Nyong'o.